Good morning, Dave Snyder here. It is January the 12th, 2014. Okay, so we're looking at Wonder Maps weather here this morning, and Schrodinger showing itself here. Okay, Schrodinger is a crater on the moon near the lunar south pole. Okay, it's 200 miles in diameter, supposedly. That's what they say the size of that crater is on the moon. 200 miles in diameter, approximately. Okay, but over the Earth, where it shows itself so often. Look, people, Schrodinger is the most important crater on the planet Earth and on the moon. I mean, it leaves its print all over the Earth. I mean, it's ridiculous to think that a Mars-sized planet hit the Earth, broke up, and coalesced and created the moon. Unless that happened, and then the moon just started coming back to hit the Earth afterwards, after the Mars-sized planet hit the Earth. But the moon turns out to be Mars size. If you overlay these images of this crater, and you can see it right there. That right there is Schrodinger's print. That's probably about 1,100, 1,200 miles in diameter right there. Then you'll see it right here. See the circular pattern again? Right here. I saved this one yesterday, and I overlaid this. Actually, I didn't save the image. I just overlaid Schrodinger right here in this spot yesterday, and I was amazed to see how perfectly it fit that area, and I'll show you that in a minute. I'm just trying to show you how many times you can see it on the Earth at this very moment. That's two times up here. Starting to show itself here 3 times. Right here. 4. This is it right here as well. 5 times. Schrodinger's print right there. Do believe. You'll see it all over here. You'll see it here. Look at it starting to show right there. You gotta wonder why we have these circles all over the Earth that size. There it is there. Here it is here. Showing itself very big right here. Oh, that's a good one too. I know exactly where this spot is in Schrodinger right here. So there's, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. You'll see it down here. Right over here. Sooner or later it's going to show itself over here. Okay, so go to Google Earth. I'm going to show you how it fits this spot right here in Central Asia. Okay, so with the borders on, which I didn't overlay it with the borders on, but you can see with the borders on how Schrodinger just fits in. The borders go right around it just beautifully. And I didn't even check the borders till after I put the picture in place. This is a picture of the moon reversed over the Earth. Okay, turn the borders off now. Okay, let's just check it out. Schrodinger and the lunar south pole. I seen this in the weather yesterday, right here in this location. Right here. It was shown in the weather yesterday. I made a video, but I didn't upload it. It showed it right here in the weather. So, and it's showing it right now, actually, in the weather right there. So I put it there, and just look how it fits there. Check this area out right here, where it comes down to like this point and comes out this way. Check it out. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. What people need to understand is they're leaving stuff out of this picture. Look at the Aral Sea here. Right, falls right into place right there. The Black Sea, or the Caspian Sea. I think it fits there pretty good. Just another spot showing it fit right there. Maybe to look at the details, I'm sure it'll show something. Fertile Crescent. That's why they believe the moon is God, people. It's hit the Earth so many times. I'm telling you right now, that crater, this print is all over the Earth. That's why this crater is the center of the Mayan calendar. This crater, Stonehenge is built to represent this crater on the moon. So ancient civilizations had to see this side of the moon. We cannot see this area of the moon from Earth. But they've seen it. I guarantee you they've seen this area of the moon. Because this is Stonehenge, and it is the center of the Mayan calendar. And I'll show you that right now. What the hell? Okay, so let's do this. I've showed it in other videos already, but it seems like I gotta redo some things sometimes just because they get so far backed up that nobody sees them or something. So here we go. Pull a picture of the mine counter. I should have one in here somewhere. And mine mask. Maybe I don't have one here. I got something in here. There's Stonehenge right here. Let's just do Stonehenge. This is the pattern of Stonehenge right here. Okay, and I think I already have a picture of a large Schrodinger somewhere around here. I was doing something the other day. Somebody asked me to do Hurricane Sandy. So I did Hurricane Sandy. Let's show that too. Here, right up here. Hurricane Sandy. And you can check these yourself. This is definitely what shapes Hurricane Sandy. Check it out, people. Got a little bit too long, but that area right there. I mean, the whole thing. You'll get it to fit perfect. This is what shapes the Sandy hurricane, guaranteed. So there's that. And let me just turn off the hurricane and just put this over Stonehenge. Look at that. That is Stonehenge. Or Stonehenge is that crater. Because I'm telling you, this crater is all over the earth. This crater leaves its print all over the place. You'll see it in the weather every day. Somewhere on the earth, you will see this pattern on the earth in the weather every day. Mine counter. I got to find a picture of mine counter. This might be a little more difficult. There should be one somewhere up top here. Well, we could use this one, but I don't usually use this one. I don't think it's got the same image in the center. Oh, yeah, it does, kind of. This is kind of a weak picture to use, but we'll use it. Give you an idea, anyways. So what we're gonna do is get this part. See, this thing's not shaped like this in the center. It's shaped more like this. This right here is shaped actually, and that goes right in the center, right there. That kind of. Then if you use the right picture, you would see that this goes with the center of the mine calendar. You would see that. It's just not the right picture. But you see the round part in the center. It does go with this. This is the center of the Mayan calendar. You can check it yourself with the right picture. Get a real picture of the Mayan calendar and put it up there. It is the same thing. Believe it or not. Anyways, that's my video for the day. I just wanted to point that out, how many times you'll see this crater in the weather on the earth fitting perfectly. Absolutely perfect. I showed it all over here, and all down here. South America, Africa. Now I got it up here in Central Asia. It fits right here. It fits right here. It fits right here. And the weather will show that all the time. Alright, have a great day. Keep your eyes on the moon. You never know. I'm not saying it's going to hit the earth again. I'm just saying it has hit the earth before. Obviously, you know, they're lying to us as usual. nothing, that's not, shouldn't be a surprise to anybody. But anybody, have a great day.